Oh. The tongue looks like it folds just under the jaw. This is 2019 Moomba Max. It's not quite the same color package that I'll be getting. This has the black Trex with the light graphite, Diamante, light graphite Merlin. It's like the Captain Blue piping. I love that. This one has the flip up bolster option like I'm getting. Nice and thick. In 2019 they added the C-deck or gator step up on top of the dash, kind of get rid of some of that plastic. Looks really nice. Fusion radio, Bluetooth, wake plate, cruise up down, 3.5-inch screen, nice rubberized textile buttons. They changed these out. These used to be plastic. They're now nice and metal. This year's interior vinyl is from Supra, from last year's Supra. So it's a nicer grade. I love this little cup holder right here. Stainless steel cup holders. Cavernous storage in the glove box. Which I also love that you can access from the side. Another nice thing I really like for 2019s is the battery switch is right here, easy access. There we go. Turn it first. This one only has the snap-in carpet stock. I've got the gator step. You see it's fully telecommunicating. Hey, they're putting our extinguishers in. That's great. Tons of storage in here. There's your amp, battery charger, onboard battery charger. And of course, this is all a ton of space in here. Same on this side. There's your mirror. You even have storage under here if you want it. Should get the storage over here. All the covers under here right now, but this one has a soft cooler, life jackets, ton of room. I'm gonna stick my leg down here. Holy crap. Yeah. Enough storage there. Valve filler cushions in there. Ton of room in there. I can stand down in there. And it communicates all the way up. You have a nice, deep, massive storage tray slash, we call it the pizza oven, but keep your towels and stuff all nice and warm in here, ropes, whatever, and engine heat. That was the number